Specialty of GDEPL system. The first stage gasifier itself generates a temperature of 1200 degrees centigrade and is multijet with 7 internal stages. It has been continuously used for municipal landfill waste disposal for last 2 years and have been visited and seen by many dignitaries. We have specifically designed a two-stage gasifier which caters to all compliance and requirements of biomedical waste disposal. We are providing continuous online monitoring system in line with international standards which will be measuring stack parameters for sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, oxygen and efficiency. The pyrolytic atmosphere is maintained inside first chamber by supplying hot air which has reduced oxygen content, but just enough to sustain combustion. We have also kept provision for steam injection to enhance system processing parameters. A negative draft of less than 2 to 3 mm of water column is maintained in first chamber. The secondary chamber has high turbulence creating the needed 2 seconds residence time. Initially before start of processing, the second chamber is heated to plus 850 degrees to 1000 degrees centigrade by external fuel. The heat generated is captured by heat exchange and transferred to primary chamber, helping to create a pyrolytic atmosphere and just enough oxygen to support combustion. The excess hot air is used for our waste to energy system, which comprises of wet waste drying, electricity generation or cooling applications. Even if our sulfur dioxide levels are extremely less, not needing a chimney, we provide 4-meter chimney from ground level for residual heat dispensing. Our combustion efficiency, which is very important parameter in gasification, even in single-stage gasification, has been clocking 99.5 to 99.9%. There is no visible smoke or odor. We have tested our single-stage gasifier for dioxins and furans from Vinta Labs, and they have certified that all parameters are within limits.